Alright, so we're going to show you how to bleed your brakes real quick here. This is on a 2007 Chevy Duramax. It's pretty simple. We've got a fancy catch can, you could call it here. These are on brand new brakes. These are not on used calipers. These are on brand new calipers, so keep that in mind. If you're doing a used caliper, sometimes you just have to loosen up the banjo bolt and just let the brake fluid drain. The only reason this is here is to catch brake fluid. It might not catch it, it might catch it, I don't know. But you can just put a bucket underneath and that'll be fine as well. But again, if you have old calipers and you can't do this on the bleeder, right here, this is your bleeder screw. If you can't get that broken loose to do it, I've always done it through the banjo bolt. So it's a pretty simple process. We're going to do it with 2 people. Eric's going to be in the cab. Actually, no, you know what, you'll be here. I'll be in the cab and I will be pushing the brake itself, and he will be watching the caliper. The caliper's got to fill up first, so it's probably going to take a little bit. And then once the caliper's filling up, you're going to push the brakes down, get all the air bubbles out, keep pushing, get the air bubbles out. Once he sees the fluid with no air bubbles coming out, he'll tell me okay. The next one we're going to stop, so I'll push down, I'll hold it, and he'll tighten, and that'll be it.
All right, you want to pump it a few times?
Yeah.
Okay,
Push
release.
It. Release.
Yep.
Release.
Push.
Push it. Oh. Holding.
Release.
Release.
Push.
Push it. Oh. Holding.
Okay, release.
Release.
Push.
Push it. Ooh. Holding.
Release.
Release.
Push.
Pushing. Holding.
All right, release.
Release.
All right, hold on now. So that one's good, but I want to verify. Okay, press.
Pressing. Holding.
Okay, let go.
Let go.
Press.
Press and hold.
Okay, let go.
Let go.
Press.
Press and hold.
Let go.
Release.
Okay. All right, this side's good. So stop recording.
Is the red light blinking in front?
Yeah.
Okay. Hit the on the left side.
So it stops recording?
Yep, on the left side on the top.
Do you want me to tell them what I was looking at leaks? You want me to tell them that or no?
All right. Oh, we got volume. All right. All right. So Eric did what he did here. I'm hoping you guys could see. I don't know how it turned out. But anyways, what did you do?
So once he was all finished, I hit it with brake cleaner because it'll get rid of all your brake fluid in the area, and it dries really fast. So once it dried up and everything looked perfectly clean, I had him pump the brakes, and I watched the banjo bolt on both top and bottom and the bleeder screw after I tightened everything to verify that there's no leaks. You'll know real quick, it'll seep out slow but noticeably fast.
Yeah. So that's how you bleed your brakes. It's a pretty simple process. It's really helpful with 2 people. I usually grab my wife, and she actually hates it when I grab her to bleed brakes because
Megan too.
Yeah, it gets a little frustrating for them when they don't know what they're doing. So, all right, simple process. If you want to learn how to replace this caliper, I'll link that video below. We also did a not a how-to video, a comparison video of grip clean versus gator crocodile cloth for hand cleaning. So, have a nice night. Oh, please like and subscribe. You got anything to add?
No, later guys.
All right.